Hi folks, hello, good evening and welcome to another session of Tech Tablet Daily Dose with Varun Rao. In today's session, we would be looking at the next topic, that is scripts. And you do not have to take into consideration the part 14, part 11, part 9, that's for my reference. So yeah, you can just keep it aside. So here we come up with a new topic, that is SAP scripts, and you know the aim of the session, that is to look at the frequently asked SAP ABAP technical questions to understand the general expectations from the employer, and the most important, how do we answer in an interview. The same advice that I would give to you, probably in different forms, to make you understand that it is your confidence and it is your knowledge and it's your preparation that gives the highest weightage for you, or that would help you, or that would give you the edge over others in any interview. Because with the kind of competition that we have today for each and every module, it is becoming almost impossible to convince or to satisfy the interviewers. So no matter what, you just got to keep struggling. So let's come up with the first question, that is, what are the function modules associated with scripts? So here I've mentioned some function modules that are associated or that are used in scripts. They are open form, that is, this is used to open the form to provide the link between the print program and the SAP script. The global data of the print program can be accessed after this function module is used. This line is very important, that is, the global data of the print program can be accessed only after this function module is used. The second is start form. This FM is used to specify the starting page, all right, from where the document to be printed or is to be displayed. Okay, and then FM, by the way guys, FM is function module. This is for the freshers, just for reference. Write form is the FM which is used to pass multiple entries of an internal table into the SAP script through the text elements, right? And basically, I mean, see, here you can pass a lot of entries of an internal table, all right, and they are mostly bound to be text elements. Okay, then you have end form, which is an optional function module which is used to end the form which you've started. Then you have close form. So end form and close form, this is a small difference. When you talk of close form, it is used to close the open form, and it is to send the request back into the spool to the device. Okay, and it can also be used to get the SAP script form data into OTF format. Now, the standard function module, that is convert OTF to PDF, is used to convert the OTF data of SAP script into the PDF format, right? So this function module is important. The name is important. You can just memorize the name, and this is used to convert from OTF to PDF. The name is very easy. It's convert OTF to PDF. That's it. And then you have control form. This FM is used to control the form by creating the pages or windows dynamically. Okay, so these are important. You have six, that is open form, start form, write form, end form, close form, and control form. And we've also got to remember this function module, that is convert OTF to PDF, because we keep using this quite often. What are the different types of windows? So we have four varieties of windows. And what are windows? They basically define or they give shape to your view. Okay, they are the UI, they are the final GUI that is, available for the end user. So main window. Okay, main window is used to display the continuous text on the pages. This window is the default window. Without main window you cannot design SAP scripts, and up to 99 main windows can be created in a form, and the window type is main. So these are the 4 points, and all these are important. And remember the figure, it is up to 99 windows can be created. Then you have constant window. The window contains the static content which can be formatted only once, right? This is important. It can be formatted only once, and the window type is const. So that's how it goes. Then you have variable window. The type is var variable. Okay, and it's used to print the data based on the window size. So if you have a window of 10 mm, you would be able to print the data only on 10 mm. And without a variable window also you can design an SAP script. we can place only one time per page. I mean, this variable window can be pasted or can be used only one time per page. Then finally, you have a graphic window which is used to insert logos on the page. What are the different types of symbols in scripts? So we have three types of symbols, that is system, standard, program and text. So program and text, they are pretty similar, so we'll just see what is what. So system symbols, they are used to display the system data like the date, time, the type, things like these. And a total number of pages, the current pages, the current number of page, or and all these varieties of data can also be displayed. Then you have standard symbols, which are predefined symbols, and these are maintained in standard table like TTD, TG. I've mentioned one here. Then you have program symbols, which are variables in program, like I've mentioned one here. You have the work area T001 bookers, and then you have text symbols. These are the variables which are declared in page window. Okay, so these are the different varieties of symbols. Text symbols are generally used in the page window. The fourth question that we have here is how to generate windows or pages dynamically. Okay, for this you have a function module, an FM, that is control form, which is used to control the form by creating pages or windows dynamically. So you use this FM, that is control form, through which you can create pages or windows as and when required. The fifth question that is coming up is what are the different ways to debug a script. So we have two ways, guys, to debug a script. One is you go to the path, I mean this is the path, that is you go to SC71. Here you would be finding utilities, click on that, and then you got to activate the debugger. Or you can go to the standard program in the report, that is rstxdbug, rstxdebug. You can remember it the way you want, just memorize it, because this is used very often, very often. The sixth question, how to add functionality to script without modifying the print program. So the form routines, that is perform and end perform, are used to add the additional functionality. So whenever you want to add an additional functionality, you use these form routines, that's perform and end perform, to the SAP script forms without changing the print program. The seventh one that I have for you is how to display boxes in script. Okay, in order to display boxes in the script, you can create boxes in SAP script using the box command. And here you've got to specify the X and Y coordinates and the width and the height. So if you're able to specify these required parameters, then you would be able to create or display a box using the box command. The eighth one is how to split the line into the next line in SAP scripts. Okay, so using the function module, that is rkd underscore word underscore wrap. Okay, so rkd underscore word underscore wrap. So this is the function module to be used to split the line into the next line in scripts. The ninth question that we have here is how to convert SAP scripts to SAP smart forms. In order to do this, you've got to execute the smart forms and enter a smart form name. Then this is the path. You've got to go to smart forms, utilities, migration, and from here you can import the SAP script form that you have created. And here you got to enter the existing script form that you want to import, and you just have to click on the yes button, and it would be converted from SAP scripts to smart forms. The last question, what are the components of layout, that is form painter. So here you have 7 different components. The first one is header. It is used to maintain the administrative information like form name, page format, etc. You have pages, which is the physical area where we can place the window. Then you have windows, where we can place the same window in any number of pages. You have page window. It is to place, or it is placing the window on the page with the coordinates. Then you have paragraph format, which is used to print the entire paragraph in a required format and style. Character format, which is to print the particular text. You can select the text with the required font and style. Then you have documentation finally, which is used to maintain the documentation related to the form. So 7 components: header, pages, windows, page window, paragraph format, character format, and documentation. So I hope you have enjoyed the session, and do stay subscribed and tuned to this channel Tech Tablet for many more videos yet to be exchanged and a lot of knowledge yet to come across. So I hope this helps. Do share if you find this useful. As the season is coming up, I would advise that you prepare and you stay prepared much in advance rather than waiting for the thing to come up, as it's no longer engineering. One night stand or one night workout would not work any further. So yeah, I hope you gear up much in advance. Do well. All the very best. Have fun. Thanks for watching.